A special recipe from my great-grandmother. 2 potatoes and an amazing skillet dinner. First, let's slice 2 potatoes into rounds. Try to make even slices so they cook evenly. Next, transfer the potatoes to a bowl of water. While the potatoes soak, let's prepare the other ingredients. Take an onion and slice it into thin strips. The onion will add a special flavor to our dish. Now, heat a skillet with a drizzle of olive oil and add the onion. Let it brown until it becomes soft and fragrant. While the onion cooks, let's prepare the bacon. Cut a piece into large strips to make it juicy in the recipe. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out in the next video. Add the bacon to the skillet along with the onion and let it brown, stirring occasionally to blend the flavors. The aroma is already amazing, isn't it? Now let's add a touch of freshness. Take some chives and finely chop them. Watch until the end to see the result. I'm sure you'll love it. Then add the chives to the skillet and mix everything together. I'm sure the incredible flavor and easy preparation will impress everyone who tries it. Once everything is golden brown, transfer the bacon and onion to a bowl and set aside. Now, in another skillet, let's prepare the potatoes. Add a tablespoon of butter and spread it evenly with a brush to cover the entire surface. Line the bottom of the skillet with the potato slices, arranging them neatly. Sprinkle a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of paprika on top to enhance the flavors. Cook the potatoes over medium heat with the lid on until they're golden brown. When they're ready, use a plate to flip the potatoes easily. This trick makes everything simpler. Now, let's prepare the mixture that will bring all the flavors together. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs and beat well until smooth. Add 80 grams of heavy cream and mix until you get a creamy consistency. This is the secret to making the recipe creamy and delicious. With the potatoes golden, pour the egg mixture over them, covering the entire skillet. Then, spread the reserved bacon and onions over the mixture. Let's add even more flavor with fresh tomato slices. Arrange the tomato slices on top of our omelet. For a touch of freshness, finish with some chopped parsley. This simple detail makes all the difference. Add 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, or more if you prefer. Now just cover the skillet and cook until the cheese melts and everything is golden and irresistible. Once ready, carefully transfer it to a plate, cut, and serve. This delight will surprise everyone. So, what did you think of this amazing recipe from my great-grandmother? Don't forget to rate the recipe from 0 to 10 and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and enjoy your meal.